Hi everyone, welcome back to Pam's Wig Adventure. It's typical, what am I, outfit of the day, wig of the day. It's Sunday. I didn't feel good Thursday. No, I filmed, Thursday was Dare to Be, and so Friday and Saturday, I didn't go to my second job, so I didn't really get ready and put everything on, so I don't have anything for those days. I just put something on for wearing around the house. But I wanted to start you off. So this is my outfit for the day. I don't know, can you see me? Can you see my red boots? I don't know why. Gosh, it's so far. So anyway, this is the outfit of the day. I may throw either a longer black or a longer red sweater over this because I don't usually like my butt exposed, so I'm very self-conscious of that. So I'm not sure if this sweater is long enough to cover me, but let's go head to the bathroom. And today, I'm not sure, I've got the brown Amazon wig and then the orchid, I think the Aesthetica orchid. I'm not sure which one I want to wear, so I brought both in. You'll see they're both empty off the slot over there, so I brought both in. Not sure what we're going to wear, but let's head to the bathroom. Okay, so we're back in the bathroom, and now today I'm not sure whether I want to do brown or blonde. So I've got the Amazon wig with the bangs that I thought was really pretty, and then I've got the Aesthetica orchid, which is in that big long number ROM 624 ORT 4. So I've got these two. I'm not sure which one I want to wear with this outfit. So let's, I'm just going to do a quick try on just to see. Let's see which one and then we'll play with them. So I've got, this is one I just did hair mail. So if I pick her, we're going to have to fix her bangs for one. Oh yeah, see, she's so pretty. This one's very pretty. Now I've got a long day, so I have to work 11 to 7 on a Sunday. Isn't that crazy? I'm a workaholic, yes I know. All right, so there's this, which really all we need to do is fix the bangs. And I think I would have to glue her down because she feels like she's gonna fall a little bit. So we've got her, which is, and the hair feels, I think I would put a little dry shampoo. I want a little bit of lift, but we have this, right? So real pretty. I love the color. I like the, the ombre effect here. So we have this, or do I want to wear this one? So we have that, or this. And my husband was going for this one, so this is what he said. Or I had Veronica and honey was my other option. Those are the three that I haven't worn yet this week. And I really didn't remember what I put for today's. I think it was this. I think this is what's supposed to go with today's. But it doesn't matter, right? So blonde or brown, either one will go. I've got red and black. I don't want to wear black. It'll be too much. All right, so here is Aesthetica's orchid. So this is when I really wish I was live and you guys were here, or we had a way that I could ping you. Oh, so here's the thing. So if anybody wants to chat or ask me questions, I'm open to giving my phone number out. So what I would ask you to do, if you want to talk or anything like that, send me an email. So my email is always included in the description box. It's pamswigadventure@gmail.com. Super simple, super easy. If you have any questions, you can always just email me there. And or if you wanted to chat, you can email me and, we could exchange phone numbers if you'd like some help. I'm I'm willing to do that as well. So, I don't know. I sort of feel like, I don't know that I like orchid today with this. You know what? I'm gonna go get Veronica. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go get Veronica. Okay, I'm back. So here is Veronica in honey. So let's try, I don't know, I'm not feeling the color on this. Love the style. Of course, my husband thinks it's super sexy looking and he likes it. But I wanna try Veronica, see if the color is a little better. I don't know, I'm not really feeling, because I haven't really been wearing anything for 2 days. I'm not really feeling wigs today. Can you believe that? Almost feel like going in my bio here. Let me fix her. Where is my other ear tab? Okay, there it is. Let's see. This needs a little bit of work, but so I got 3 options, and I think, to be honest, I'm gonna be with clients all day. I can't have the Amazon wig hanging down. Do I want to do this one? This one's probably shorter, less bang in my face. Yeah, I think we're gonna go with Veronica. All right, so let me take you through Veronica. So Veronica is from Paula Young, and she's in honey, the SF1228. So let me see if you could see it good, right? And so she's got a nice felt cap in the front, very nice and soft. She's got basic ears, so if you have glasses, you've got the little hole there, right? You have a little bit of good stretch. She does not have an extended nape. And that's it. And so you've got, and it didn't feel like a ton of permatease when I put her on. All right, so I am going to fix her part first, because I did notice, and I'm going to do that off of her. So I just want to lift up those fibers in here, because she's got a little bit of a crisscross part, and kind of mix that up a little bit. Okay, so just, I don't know that I really did anything by doing that, but because she has bangs, right? So where does she really want to part? Let me make a cleaner part. So she has permatease up there. So you see? So this is what her part looks like there. All right, so let's put her on and then get her wearable, okay? So I'm gonna tuck her tight behind my wig grip cap. And as always, if you're new here, hi, welcome to my channel. I wear the Milano wig grip cap. I did put the lace one on today because just in case I was wearing orchid. Orchid does have a lace front. All right, so I'm gonna put a little bit of water. Okay, I just wanna activate just a little bit of the permatease to get a little bit of height. So let's see what she has. So none down here. No, maybe just a tiny bit, but really it's all right here. The permatease is all right here. And do I want to put a little bit of root spray in there? Okay. All right, so we've got to fix all this. Okay. I want it to kind of flow out like that with just a little bit of height. Yeah, I don't want, I'm gonna keep her bangs like that. And definitely let me know down below, did I pick the right one? What was out of the three, what did everybody else think would have went best with this outfit today? And she's got light bang hair, just kind of, I think, I liked a little bit of the sparseness here. Or do I want to really just put her like this? Yeah, no, so see, I liked a little bit of just a little sparse, just a little bit of bang here. Right? And of course I'll have some nice big red earrings that I put on. Someone asked me not to put that the earrings were distraction, so I apologize that, I love my earrings and they're big, so I started to put my earrings on afterwards instead of coming with my big earrings and nothing on but my bald head. So I definitely, the part of the goal is not just to have you guys go through the adventure with me, but, I'm trying to show you the wigs as well so that you can make decisions for yourself on whether or not you like the styles. So it is part wig review as well. So it's not all about Pamela. So, all right, so she's cute. I think I'm good with that. Almost, do I feel like she's got a little bit of box hair? I think that kind of fixes it. All right, where is my hairspray? Okay, here it is. So I'm just gonna use the Ecstatica. I'm not gonna put any other product in. Okay. All right. And she's got something a little funky going on right here. So what is going on, like right there? And now the thing is, you don't want it to be perfect, right? Because then it's gonna look wiggy. So you want it a little messed up because our hair is not perfect. Almost want her a little bit behind my ears. All right, she's pretty, I think. This is Veronica in Honey, SF1228 from Paula Young. I like the length. Let me take you through all sides. Okay. This is my right. This is the back. This is the left. Okay. Now, hopefully someone else had asked me not to play with it so much, not to keep my hands in it. I cannot help it. I'm trying to make it mine today, so I'm going to keep playing with it probably up to the minute I walk out the door. But I think it's good. Hopefully I kept my hands out of it enough for you guys to see the style, the color. All right. So let me know your thoughts down below. Did I pick the right one? So we had the Amazon ombre one with a little bit of bangs. We had Aesthetica's Orchid in that ROM, that big long number. And then I landed with Veronica in Honey from Paula Young. All right. All right. Thank you so much for subscribing. And so the next video coming up is going to be my outfits for the week and my wigs for the week. So I got to pick those out tonight. And then I did get Dallas in the mail yesterday, but I have, I think 2 or 3 others that I ordered when we had that 40% off, I think like a week or so ago. I grabbed a couple more. So I'm going to wait until those other ones come in because I didn't want to just do one hair mail and do Dallas by herself. So I'm waiting for those other ones to come in, and then I'll have a new hair mail for you guys. All right. All right. So this is Veronica from Paula Young. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. And if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe, hit the bell so you're notified. I've been uploading almost every day, if not every other day. Did really good this week with my my wig of the day. You got everything, you know, pretty on time. I think I did 2 videos in a row on a couple days, 2 at a time. So lots of good content, and I expect to be doing lots more, and we're gonna have a great time. So come join me on Pam's Wig Adventure. All right? Have a great day, guys. And hey, wear those wigs. Bye. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Pam's Wig Adventure. This is the nighttime review of how Veronica wore all day. So this is what she looks like at the end of the day. So, my thoughts around Veronica. I had to comb her out once because I felt like she was getting naughty. She actually kind of fell in place. I almost like her better tonight, you know, by the end of the day. I do have to tell you that the bathroom at my job, I felt like she looked really wiggy. And then when I come home, I don't feel like she looks wiggy. So I did have that problem during the day. The other thing is that she is full of permatease. So I'm having hot flashes. I was having hot flashes all day today. So the heat from all that permatease was driving me crazy. So it was, she didn't really get itchy, but she's like very full, like Reese. I know Reese is really like packed with permatease. Who was the other one by Paula Young that I just did that was filled with permatease? But I don't know, I kind of like how she fell. You know, I usually poof them up, but I kind of like how she fell, you know, by the end of the day, where she really kind of flattened down and stuff. But I loved her. I loved the color. I loved the length. She wasn't too long. But yeah, so this is Veronica at the end of the day. The only thing is, you know, she has a lot of permatease, so that doesn't go well with hot flashes when you're, you know, boiling up from the inside and, you know, you've got all this heat on your head. So that, just wanted to let folks know about that. But I'm getting ready to film, you know, my wigs for the week and my outfits for the week. So I should be able to get both of these videos up tonight. So that is the end of my week. So I did good this week. I think you guys saw almost every wig I did. Friday, Saturday, I didn't leave out of the house, so I just wore, you know, anything around the house. So I do have a couple of wigs that are left over that I didn't wear, so I'll probably keep those in the rotation. But I am gonna go and pick out, yeah, my outfits and my wigs for the week. Thanks so much for watching. Definitely like, subscribe, keep the comments coming and the feedback. I absolutely love it. And also, so this is the one in the beginning, I tried 3 different wigs on. So I'm definitely interested to see what you guys would have picked for me, or even for yourself. You know, what wig would you have gone with today out of the 3 that I picked? But yeah, so she looked, more I look at her now, I like how she landed at the end of the day. She almost looked better than when I started with all that fluffing up in the permatease. So, all right. Thanks, guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.